Suspension problem in car. Car suspension problems can cause discomfort, poor handling, and even unsafe driving. The suspension system includes shocks/struts, springs, control arms, bushings, ball joints, and stabilizer links, and if any of these fail, you'll notice symptoms. Common symptoms of suspension problems. 1. Unusual noises. Clunking, knocking, or squeaking when driving over bumps. Worn ball joints, bushings, or shocks can cause this. 2. Uneven tire wear. If tires are bald on one side, it may be due to bad alignment, worn shocks, or bent suspension parts. 3. Car pulls to one side. Could be from misaligned wheels, bad control arms, or damaged tie rods. 4. Excessive bouncing. Push down on the hood or trunk. If the car bounces more than 2 to 3 times, shocks/struts may be worn. 5. Steering problems. Loose steering, vibrations, or difficulty controlling the car. Often related to worn tie rods, ball joints, or steering rack. 6. Car sitting low. If one corner looks lower than the others, a spring may be broken or sagging. 7. Poor ride comfort. Feeling every bump in the road means your shocks or struts aren't absorbing impacts properly. Causes of suspension problems. Worn out shocks/struts, most common after 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers. Broken coil spring or leaf spring. Damaged control arm bushings or ball joints. Wheel alignment issues from hitting potholes or curbs. Faulty stabilizer, sway bar, links. Leaking power steering fluid, if it's a hydraulic suspension. Quick fixes/what to do. 1. Inspect visually, look for oil leaks from shocks, broken springs, or uneven tires. 2. Check wheel alignment, misalignment is a major cause of uneven wear and pulling. 3. Replace worn shocks/struts, if leaking or causing bounce. 4. Tighten or replace bushings/ball joints, if you hear clunks. 5. Do a suspension service, have a mechanic check all joints, arms, and mounts. Driving with a bad suspension is risky. It reduces braking efficiency and control. Thanks for watching my video.